Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab yourself a sweet tea and come see where we've been to this time. Let me tell you about something truly special up here in the heart of Indiana, in a little town called Muncie. Now when you think Indiana, you might think cornfields and hoops, but I'm here to tell you to think happy little trees and almighty mountains. You know, Bob Ross, the man with the most glorious perm I ever did see. He filmed his whole show, The Joy of Painting, right here in Muncie, where they've created an exhibit that just warms the soul. They've recreated the actual television studio. You can stand right where Bob stood, next to his easel. Look her, the easel where he beat the devil out of his brush. And there's his enormous tubes of paint. They got his big old palette on display. They filmed right here, which was a living room that they just put curtains up to give a plain background. Let's get crazy! Every day's a good day when you paint. I couldn't agree with you more, Bob. This is upstairs, and they have a room with some of Bob's paintings that they change out from time to time. When we were there, the gallery featured some of his mountain paintings. Pops really liked this valley waterfall painting. And the best part, they have workshops. You can book a class with a certified Ross instructor and learn to paint your own landscape. Now, I won't lie, as much fun as it'd be to take a class, we didn't get to do it on this trip. However, Pops and I followed along with one of Bob's shows on YouTube when we got home, and here is how they turned out. This is a recreated room that was, as Pops puts it, every living room in the 80s. Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here, or if there is something that we missed. Also, don't y'all forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can see y'all back here next time.